Good morning. This is your Atlanta area weekly and special weather briefing being recorded on December 14th. And I'm lead meteorologist Marissa Pazos. Taking a look at the overall picture, flooding is possible starting today into tomorrow as a storm system moves from the western United States into the southeast. Several rounds of heavier rain showers with isolated thunderstorms will be possible starting this afternoon into tomorrow morning. Widespread 1 to 3 inches of rain is possible with higher amounts up to 4 inches across northern Georgia. Hence, there is a flooding risk for river and stream flooding. Current weather setup this morning has a storm system moving in from the western United States into the Georgia area. This is a current look at the radar. There's some rain showers starting to occur across northwest Georgia and the Atlanta area. All else looks dry. These rain showers and with a few embedded thunderstorms will increase as the day continues. Given the current weather setup, in addition to antecedent conditions and all the rainfall we're expecting over the next 24 hours, a flood watch has been issued through tomorrow evening. Significant river flooding is also possible with this activity. In terms of rainfall totals through tomorrow afternoon, widespread 1.5 to 3 inches of rainfall is possible across the state, with up to 4 inches of rainfall across northern Georgia. Again, the axis of rain could shift to the north or to the south as the system progresses eastward. So some areas could see more or less than anticipated in this graphic. However, no matter how much people see, flooding and river flooding will definitely be a possibility. With all of this in mind, the Weather Prediction Center has issued an excessive rainfall outlook for our area through tomorrow. Elevated flood risk exists in the area that is yellow that you're seeing there, and rainfall will be heaviest this afternoon into tomorrow evening. Conditions will improve from west to east as we move into tomorrow evening, but again, lingering river and stream flooding will be possible. In terms of the best timing for the heaviest rainfall across the area, today into tomorrow, looks like the heavy bands will move through late tonight into very early tomorrow and then start to dissipate as we get into tomorrow afternoon. Biggest concern for the metro Atlanta area will be early tomorrow morning, and then the system is expected to move southeast very quickly, but regardless, flooding will still be possible. A really quick look at the setup in terms of flooding conditions and stream flooding and river flooding. Our average 7-day stream flows across, again, northwest Georgia, where we have that flood watch, are 90% of normal right now. And the antecedent conditions and the soil anomalies across northwest Georgia, as you can see in that bottom right picture, are also above normal. And in the last 2 weeks, the short-term drought, has improved. So especially across northwest Georgia. So again, that is why we went ahead and issued that flood watch and why we're expecting the most flooding to occur in that area. Widespread minor river flooding, as we've been talking about, is really expected north of I-20. Some rivers may remain high into the weekend. And outside of that black outlined area that you're seeing, isolated minor river flooding will still be possible across the rest of the state. With this system, we are still looking at some strong embedded thunderstorms. Severe Prediction Center has put out an outlook over our area with southwest Georgia, where you're seeing that yellow. They'll have the most elevated severe risk. Isolated damaging wind gusts and a possible isolated tornado are also possible this evening into tomorrow. And if we look into tomorrow, again, that axis of yellow will shift to the southeast portions of Georgia, and we'll still see an elevated risk of severe weather there with damaging winds and very isolated tornado threat. To wrap things up, I wanted to talk about what will happen after tomorrow. This weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, drier weather will move in. High pressure will move over the region from the west. We will see cooler high temperatures under sunny skies. As I mentioned, temperatures will be cooler this weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, highs anywhere from the 40s to the 50s, with lows in the 20s and 30s area-wide. To wrap it all up, flooding threat exists starting today into tomorrow. There's a flood watch across northwest Georgia. Widespread 1 to 3 inches of rain is possible, with North Georgia seeing the highest amounts. All of this will likely occur again starting this afternoon into tomorrow morning. Because of that, most of the rainfall will fall overnight tonight, with significant flooding possible and nighttime flooding possible. So always remember, turn around, don't drown, and watch for that stream and river flooding. As we move into next week and the weekend, dry, cool weather returns under sunny skies. As always, if you need anything, you can contact us. NWS chat for EMs and media partners and other approved partners. Twitter, Instagram, the phone, YouTube, Facebook are all great ways of reaching out to us, including our email address, which you see in the bottom right-hand corner. Also, for updated weather information or up-to-date briefings, you can check out our new DSS support page or check out our website online at www.weather.gov/Atlanta.